Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change button layout and keybinds in Keybinds. It's pretty easy. First of all, open menu, go to settings. If you're playing the game on keyboard and mouse, you'll able to see the option for button layout, and right from here you'll able to change it to standard layout. You'll able to see the preview on the right hand side. You can change that on side button layout, or you can set this on custom. And if you're playing the game on controller, you can just select that, and from here you'll able to change the same settings for controller. In order to change button layout and keybinds according to your choice, choose this option button settings. Right here you will able to change keybinds for basic moves such as forward, backward, medicine or crouch. For the sake of this video, let's say I want to change the key for crouch. I need to select that and just tap the key which I want to use for crouch. Let's say this is equal to in my case, and that way the key will be changed. You just need to save that by hitting this key, and that way the key will be changed for that particular action. So similar to that, you can change the keybinds for enter switch, combat keybinds, system keybinds. You can also assign keys for mystic skills, switch item, medicine or switch arrow. Here in build, you'll able to change keybinds for build such as rotate component, recycle mode and so on. Let's say you wanna reset this. For that you need to use this particular key. This is R in my case, that could be different in your case. So just hit that key, and that way you'll able to reset this completely. And yeah, this is exactly how you can change button layout and keybinds in Keybinds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.